Check out how we introduce the conversation. You'll see that it's very easy to implement. Muy bien. We're going to do our review questions where los alumnos van a preguntarles. They're going to ask you all the questions.
¿Cómo se llama tu animal favorito?
Muy bien. That's a little bit longer one. ¿Cómo se llama tu animal favorito? That might be tough for some of you to pick because I know that it's hard when you have more than one pet to say, this one's my favorite. Hopefully you've said, mi favorito es. And if you had two that are favorite, you'd say, mis favoritos son. Can everybody say that? Mis favoritos son.
Mis favoritos son.
That means my favorites are. Muy bien. The next one is Sara. Sara's going to ask you the next one.
Now can you ask me what my favorite animal is? Mi favorito es mi gato.
Muy bien. Mi favorito es mi gato. ¿Y Sara, cómo se llama el gato?
Se llama Jasper.
Jasper. Muy bien. ¿Y tú tienes un perro, sí?
Sí.
¿Cómo se llama el perro?
Her name is...
Se llama
Greta.
Greta. Muy bien. As you can see, when the kids are doing the conversación, it's very important that they answer with their own personal information, not made-up information, made-up facts. We want them to be able to learn and know what they want to say about their own life. When I was in college, my college professors always taught me that that was the super glue that tied the memory in with the words, was the thing that made them remember the most was the personal information.